Class 1, chapter number 6. Topic is ordinal number. Page number 22 to 24 and lesson number 6. Today we will learn about recognize the cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. So, first, what is the number? Look at this flow chart here first. What is number? In previous classes, as I told you that the numbers are figures which are used to count object, which are used to count object and and the basic numbers are 0 to 9 as you learned 0 to 9 and all the other numbers are made by using these digits. 0 to 9 is also called a digit. So now let's we talk about the types of number. There are two types of numbers, cardinal numbers and ordinal number. So first we discuss about the cardinal number. Okay, what are the cardinal numbers? Cardinal numbers are, they are counting numbers. They tell us how many. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. You have already learned about this cardinal number in previous classes. So, we discuss in this class about ordinal number. What are ordinal number? When things, people, objects and place in order when we use ordinal number to tell their position. I repeat it again. When things, people, objects are placed order. In order, we use ordinal number to tell their position. It means we can also say that it is also called a position word. Position word. For example, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, nine, 10. We already write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But with these numbers, we put here the ST and D. In first, we put ST, it called first. In two, we put here ND, it called second. With three, we put here RD, third, we call it third. With fourth, TH, it calls fourth. Number five, put TH, it called fifth. With six, we put TH, is called sixth. Seven, we put here TH, it called seventh. And then eight, we put TH, it called eight. 9, we put TH, it called 9. And 10, number 10, we put TH, it called 10. Picture of building. It has many floors, as you see here. It has many floors. The floors on the ground is called, here you see, the, the floor of the ground is called a ground floor. And above ground floor. Above ground floor, the first floor begin, the first begin and then next and then at finally last floor. See the name of the floor written on the building as you see here, first, second and with their short form. So after ground floor we see the first floor. First floor, the name of this one is first, F-I-R-S-T, first, and in short form we write it 1-S-T, first. In the next, second, number 2, in next 2, it is called second. In short form we write number 2 with ND, second, and the name of this, yeah, we can say the full form of second, SECOND, second. Okay, after next, Number 3, 3. So it is called the floor third. We write it 3 with RD, third. And the spelling of third, THIRD, third. And next, number 4, it is called number fourth, and we can write it number 4 with TH. And the full form is FOURTH, fourth. After fourth, we see fifth, 5 with TH, it called fifth, and the spelling of fifth is FIFTH, fifth. After fifth, we see here number 6, 6 with TH, it calls sixth, and the spelling of sixth is SIXTH, sixth. After 6, we see number 7, floor, it is called seventh, and we write it 7 with TH. And the full form is seventh is SEVENTH, seventh. After 7, we see number 8. It is called eighth floor. So we write it 8 with TH, and the spelling of 8 is EIGHTH, 8. After 8, 9. We can write ninth with ninth number with TH. So it is called ninth, and the spelling of ninth is NINTH, 9. Same as if the next floor is came, so it is called 10th, number 10 with TH, and the spelling of 10th is 10, TENTH, 10. Okay, now let's see the other picture. You can see the other picture here. Look at the zoo train. Here we have 10 animals. So we tell here the position of the animals, which animals sit in first and which animal sit the number two, number second, and which animal come with number third. So using ordinal number, here we use the ordinal number, we can tell the position of the object. Okay, in the first, which animal come? Which animal is come here? First, lion. So lion is the first animal sit in a train. And after lion, which animal come? Rabbit. Rabbit is the second animal sit in a train. So here we write the full form of second. Okay, after rabbit, which animal will be here? Frog. So we call it number third. Lion is number first, then second rabbit, third frog, and after frog, monkey. So monkey is the fourth animal here. After monkey, which animal we see here? Tiger. So it is called a number fifth. Okay. After tiger, we can see here the crocodile. So he is in which position? Number 6. Crocodile is in number 6 position. Okay. After crocodile, we see here the deer. So deer, what is the position of deer? Number 7. Okay. After deer, we can see here the mouse. And what is the position of mouse? Number 8. Okay. Next, which animal come? Yes, giraffe. So, what is the position of it? Number 9. And at last, Which animal when can we see here? Elephant. So elephant is the last animal and the position of animals elephant is number 10. I hope you all have understood the topic and the position, the name of the ordinal number. Okay, I ask you the position of animals. Yes, what is the position of monkey? Yes, what is the position of monkey? Yes, monkey is here, so it is number 4. It is number 4th position. In number 4, correct. Okay, what is the position of mouse in train? Yes, it is in number 8 position. Okay, can you tell me the position of elephant? Yes, elephant sit in number 10 position. Okay, let's we see the other example. Yes, match each days of the correct number. So as you know, how many days in a week? First you tell me. Do you know the name of the days? Yes. How so first tell me how many days in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. And you know the name, sequence of the name. Which day will become first? Which name come first? Monday. We start from Monday. Monday is the first day of the week because we are telling here the place as I share the definition of the ordinal number. We use the ordinal number in place. So, what is the place of Monday? So, Monday is the first day of the week. Okay. What is the next day after Monday? Yes, Tuesday, as you see here. Tuesday is the second day of the week. We match here. Okay. What about the third day? Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Okay. After Wednesday, which day will become? Yes, Thursday. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week, and after fourth day, Friday. Friday is the fifth day of the week. After Friday, Saturday comes. So Saturday is the sixth day of the week, and at last, after Saturday, Sunday comes. So Sunday is the seventh day of the week. So I repeat again. Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Second day of the week. And Wednesday is the third day of the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. And Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday is the sixth day of the week, and last Sunday is the seventh day of the week. We don't call here Monday is a 1, Tuesday is a 2. No, Monday is the first, Tuesday is the second day. So we don't call here the cardinal number, we call here the ordinal number. Now, see the other activity. What we are doing here, write the correct ordinal number from left to right. So we put here the ordinal number. We see here some numbers are put here, but many numbers are missing. So can you help me for putting the ordinal number here? But start from left to right. Here is the foundation of we have to start from left to right. We are moving to left to right. So we start from left side. We the left side, this one. And the girl is in first. the first, and after first, which ordinal number come? After first. The boy is here. After first, second. We write here second, and then after second, we write here third. This third tell the position of this girl. Okay. After third, which number will become? Number 4. So this fourth is also tell the position of this boy. So in number 4, we see here the boy, and again number 5th, we see here the girl. And after 5th, which number will become? Yeah, which ordinal number? We said not number. Which ordinal number come here? Number 6. Number 6. Okay. After 6, we see here number 7. In 7th position, we see here the girl. And after 7, we write here the number 8. We write the ordinal number, we put here the number 8. And after 8, we write the ordinal number here, 9. Very nice. And after 9, at last we see a number 10. So this is a sequence of ordinal number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10. This is a short form of ordinal number. This is a short form of ordinal number. In short form, we put the number with last letter of the spelling of the word. For example, first, we write the first F-I-R-S-T first. So at the end, we see the two letter of first S-T. So we put here the S-T with number 1. So it is called first. Now, see the other activity. Color the first and fifth frog. Here here we have 10 frogs. We just fill the color only first one and fifth one. So count with me, and where we start from? Left side or right side? Yes, left side. It is already mentioned here. Start from here. Start from here. So you know about, okay, where we start from. So we start from left side. So it is called a first frog. So after first, then what is it called? Second frog, third frog, fourth frog, and fifth frog. So in first frog is here, this one, and the fifth frog is this one. So we fill the color on it. This is the first frog, and this one is fifth frog. We just color on first and fifth. Okay, see the other one. Color the second. Here we see the 10 butterflies. So we just color on second one, sixth one, seventh one butterfly. So, but we don't here start from the left side. We are start from right side. So this is not a first butterfly. We start from right side. So this one is first one. So we count it and then fill the color. This is the first butterfly, and after first, second, second. So we color it on first one or second one? Yes, because we color it on second one. So we color on second one, then identify the sixth one. Where is sixth one? So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is the sixth one. So we color on sixth one. Okay, after six, number seven. So where is number seven? Again count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So we color on this butterflies because this is a seventh butterfly. And next 8, 9, 10. So we color on second and 6 and 7. We just color on these butterfly second, 6 and 7. Now see the other activity. Here we fill the blanks. There are 6 blanks are here. We just read it and fill the blank with given balloons. Here we have 10 balloons and each balloon has different color. And number 1, we see the red balloon. Number 2 have blue balloon. Number 3 have green balloon. Number 4 is yellow balloon. Number 5 is orange balloon. Number 6 is purple balloon. Number 7 is pink balloon. Number 8 is white and red balloon. And number 9 is orange balloon with dot. And number 10 is spread with spread spread with lines. Spread with lines. So what is the first blank is here? The third balloon is dash in color. So identify where is the third balloon. What is the color of third balloon? Yes, first, second, third. So third. The color of third balloon is, yes, tell me, what is the color of third balloon? Green. The color of third balloon is green. Okay. The red and white balloon. Identify the where is the red and white balloon. Yes, identify. Yes, this one is red and white balloon is dash balloon. Tell me the position of this balloon. The red and white balloon is the 8th position. Okay, next. The first balloon is dash in color. Yes. What is the color of first balloon? See the first balloon? First. Okay. What is the color of it? It is a red color. So we can say the first balloon is red in color. Okay. The strip balloon is the dash balloon. Yes. Where is the strip balloon? Number 10. So it is called number 10 balloon. The orange balloon is the dash balloon. Where is the orange one? Number in position, in fifth position. It is on fifth position. The orange balloon is the fifth balloon. The pink balloon is the dash balloon. Where is the pink balloon? Yes, in number 7. So we write the number 7. The pink balloon is the 7th balloon. So we write here the 7th. The third balloon is green in color. The red and white balloon is 8th balloon. And the first balloon is red in color. The strip balloon is the 10th balloon. The orange balloon is the 5th balloon. And the pink balloon is 7th balloon. Now, repeat this ordinal number with me. First, this is a short form. First, you see, write with number, it is called the short form of the ordinal number. and this is the full form of the ordinal number. Yeah, the write in a name of ordinal number. So FIRST first. First, so we put last two letter ST with number. It make a short form of ordinal number. Next, second, SECOND. Second, last two letter, two alphabet put with number. It make a short form of ordinal number. Second, THIRD. Third, put the last two letter with number 3. It make a third. FOURTH. Fourth, put the last two letter TH with number. It make a fourth. FIFTH. Fifth, last two letter put with number. It make a fifth. SIX. Sixth. TH. Sixth, put the last letter with number. So it make a sixth. SEVENTH. Seventh, put the last letter with number 7. It make a seventh. EIGHTS. Eighth, put the last letter with number 8. It make a eighth. NINTH. Nine, put the last letter with number 9. It make a ninth. And TENTH. Tenth, put the last letter with number 10. It make a 10. I hope you all have understood the ordinal number. Now, kindly note down your home task. Write the ordinal numbers as you learned here. Write the ordinal numbers 1 to 10 with their short form and full form in your fair copy. Which number? This number. 1 to 10. This is a full form and this one is a short form. So, you make a two column in your copies. In first column, you write the short form, and the second column, you write the full form. In short column, you write the first, second, third with ST, second, third. These are the short form. So you write in a first column, and the second column, you write second, FIRST, first, second. The spelling of the ordinal numbers you write in a second column in your fair copy. This is your copy work. This is your copy work. And do page number 23 and 24 in your textbook. This is your book task. I think you hope you all have understood today's topic very well. Okay. Allah Hafiz.